Hey guys, this is Fergie. I'm on my way to Florida. Going on a vacation, a little short vacation. So I'm at the airport. At the airport, guys. And there's everybody. Can I see? I'm trying to turn the camera around. I'll see you when I'm on the flight. All right? Bye-bye. Current situation, guys. I'm flying JetBlue. All right? Look at the mask I'm wearing. I'm wearing so I can breathe. Ooh. This is to make me breathe so it doesn't touch my lips. Remember, guys, wear your mask. Fergie loves you. Bye-bye.
Airport. Any individual fails to comply with this law may be subject to dinner boarding, removal from an aircraft, a penalty under federal law. Under conditions.
Hey guys, I'm on the plane, on the flight.
To accommodate the
I'm going to take off in a little bit.
Additionally, to avoid crowding in the aisle during the flight, please wait at your seat until a restroom is available. Once again, this is JetBlue 700 Fort Lauderdale. Thank you for joining us.
Hey guys, I'm in Fort Lauderdale on a little mini vacation. Here is my spot, guys. And there's my car. I hope you guys like and enjoy. Let's go around in a circle. Woo! Woo-hoo! It's sunny and warm. It's beautiful though. I'll see you guys soon. All right. Fergie loves you. Bye-bye. Okay, guys. Here's my room. Not that bad, huh? Love you guys. Bye-bye. Hollanday Beach.
Yeah, bigger this thing, that's true. It's in the water building. You know the sharks, you know, close in.
Like all the way out there. Look at that, guys. So many people. And guess what, guys? Nobody's wearing any mask. Just so you know.
The people use them phone.
Happy Sunday morning. Look what's going on into the back of the car. Jelly coconut. Look at all them coconuts. I'm so excited. I know, guys. Sorry, Tanisha.